How to create collaborative playlist on Spotify. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a collaborative playlist on Spotify. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. So first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Spotify and then log in into your account. After you've done that, you can tap on your plus icon right here on the create here and tap on it. Then create a playlist. After you create a playlist, there you can go. You can now name this playlist test collab. You can name it whatever you want. And after you do that, you can start adding music here as well. After you've added your song and you've made a good collaborative playlist, tap on this three dots right here. After you do that, there you'll see an option that says invite collaborators. Tap on that, and here you'll see an option that says link copied to clipboard. Now, what you can do is you can simply head over to any texting or any place where you can send a message and send this link. Now, whenever the person simply open up this link, they will be added as a collaborator on our Spotify. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.